हाय गाइस, आप सभी का एग्रीकल्चर फील्ड मिसाइल चैनल पर स्वागत है। आज हम मेथड ऑफ सीड प्रोडक्शन कॉलीफ्लावर के बारे में पढ़ेंगे और इससे रिलेटेड महत्वपूर्ण जानकारी के बारे में जानेंगे। तो चलिए वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। मेथड ऑफ सीड प्रोडक्शन। देयर आर टू मेथड्स ऑफ सीड प्रोडक्शन: इन situ मेथड, ट्रांसप्लांटिंग मेथड। फॉर सीड प्रोडक्शन, seed to seed method is recommended since the head to head seed method in India has not been very successful. In seed to seed method, the crop is allowed to overwinter and produce seed in the original position where they are first planted in the seedling stage. Stages of seed production: breeder seed, foundation seed, certified seed varieties, early variety, mid season, late hybrid, Pusa synthetic, Pusa hybrid 1, second and 2 season in the hills. The last week of August is the optimum sowing time. The seed is sown in a nursery and transplanting should be completed by the end of September for early varieties. Best season for sowing is the last week of May and transplanting should be completed during first week of July. In hill sowing should be adjusted that the plants put up the maximum leaf growth by 15th December when the temperature goes down and plants become dormant, for which last week of August in optimum, and transplanting should be completed by the end of September. The mean temperature of 6.5 to 11 degrees Celsius during February to March is very conducive to cud formation. Land requirement: in hills, select field on which the same kind of crop for or any other coal crop was not grown in the previous 2 years unless the crop within the previous 2 years was field inspected by the certification agency and found not to contain seed-borne disease infection beyond the maximum permissible limit. Isolation requirement: 1600 meter for foundation class and 1000 meter for certified class. Seed production: seed rate 375 to 400 gram प्रति हेक्टेयर. Nursery seeds may sown on raised nursery beds 15 to 20 centimeter height in rows with 10 centimeter spacing. 25 nursery beds of 2 to 2.65 meter into 1 to 1.25 meter size are enough for 1 hectare. Thin sowing should be done to avoid damping of 3 tons of FYM should be applied to nursery bed. DAP spray at 10 to 15 days after germination is important. Apply lime 50 per hectare before month to nursery field and apply borax and sodium molybdate 4 kg per hectare before sowing. इसमें DAP फर्टिलाइज़र है, FYM फील्ड यील्ड मैन्योर होता है. Transplanting the seedling at 35 to 40 days old, preferably at evening time with the spacing of 60 to 45 centimeter or 90 to 60 centimeter for late variety, and irrigated immediately after transplanting. Main field manuring: the field should be prepared to fine tilth by deep ploughing and 3 to 4 harrowing followed by leveling. Cauliflower crop requires having manuring applied 50-60 tons of FIM per hectare at the time of land preparation. Foliar application: NAA 40 part per million spread at 30 days after cud initiation was superior in increasing the yield and quality of seed. Guru Sami 1996. Rogging: minimum of 4 inspections are required with pre-marketable stage, initiation of cud stage, cud form stage and flowering stage. Rogging should be done based on the cud size, shape and color. When fully developed, of type plants with poor cud formation and plants affected by designated disease like black leg Black rot, soft rot, leaf spot, and phyllodes should be removed during rooting. Field standard. Pest and disease management. Use of insecticide during flowering affected the insect pollination and will result in poor seed set. Plant protection. Pest, cutworms, aphids, diamond back moth, devium. Growing mustard as intercrop at 20 ratio 1 ratio 2. Installation of pheromone traps at 12 number per hectare. 3 spraying of cartap hydrochloride 1 gram per liter or bacillus thuringiensis 1 gram per liter at primordial stage. Disease clubroot leaf spot spraying of mancozeb at 2 gram per liter or carbendazim 1 gram per liter. Leaf blight spray of mancozeb. Blanching refers to covering of cuts. A perfect cut of flower is pure white. It is necessary to exclude sunlight to obtain this. The common practice is to bring the outer leaves up over the cut and tie them with a twine or rubber band. Physiological disorder, browning or brown rot. This is caused by boron deficiency. Whiptail. This results from the deficiency of molybdenum. Blindness. Blind cauliflower plants are those without terminal buds. The leaves are large, thick, leathery, and dark green. Scooping. Scooping central portion of cud when it is fully formed helps in the early emergence of flower stalks. Harvesting and processing. The ripened fruit is called silicua. Harvesting may be done in two loads. Heavy bearing may topple the plants, hence stacking may be done wherever necessary. Seed yield. Indian cauliflower may vary between 500 to 600 kg per hectare and snowball from 300 to 500 kg per hectare. Designated disease black leg, black rot, and soft rot. Seed standards. Moisture maximum germination 65% to 65%. Total seed weight. Pure seed 98. Foundation 98. Certified 98. Insert matter.